start with a new topic, that is seed. As we have already discussed that after the fertilization, the seed forms from ovule and the fruit formation is formed from the ovary. Now what? The seed has three main parts: seed coat, cotyledons, embryonal axis. As I already told you, cotyledons are the portion where the food material is reserved. Every seed has one or two seed coats. These seed coats are known as testa and tegmen. Testa is the outer covering and tegmen is the inner covering. On the basis of the consumption of the endosperm, we divide the seed into two types. One is albuminous and another is non-albuminous seeds. Non-albuminous seeds are those seeds in which the endosperm is completely consumed by the nurturing embryo. It means no endosperm is there. It is completely eaten by the embryo. For example, pea and groundnut. What are albuminous seeds? Where the endosperm is still persist. That is known as albuminous seeds. Example, wheat and maize. Let's come to discuss fruit. What is fruit? After fertilization, the ovary get mature and converted into fruit, and the outermost covering of the fruit is known as pericarp. Here I want to make a mention between the difference pericarp and perisperm. These two are very confusing words, that's why I am giving a focus here. Pericarp is the outermost covering of a fruit, whereas perisperm, at the time of seed formation, few nucellus cells, they may persist. When the nucellus cells may persist, that is known as perisperm, and it is present or clearly seen in black pepper. The persistence of nucellus cells, that is known as perisperm. On the basis of the formation of fruit, we categorize fruit into two types: true fruits or false fruit. As I already told you, generally the fruit formation is done with the help of the ovary. So when the fruit is formed from ovary, it is known as true fruit. But when the fruit formation is done, other parts, involving the other parts like thalamus will take part in the formation of fruit, that is known as false fruit. And it is clearly visible in apple and strawberry. Or true fruits, pea, wheat, maize, all other fruits are true fruits because generally all the fruits form from ovary only. What are parthenocarpic fruits? Because generally fruit formation done with the help of fertilization, but in few plants like banana, grapes, the fruit formation is done without fertilization. And these plants are seedless plants, they do not have seeds. Example, banana and grapes. Here I want to make mention of these two topics. These are very important for 2 marks, 1 mark question also, general definitions and all. Apomixis and polyembrony. Actually, what is apomixis? These are special mechanism of reproduction. Apomixis is a type of asexual reproduction, but it mimics like sexual reproduction. It is also known as agamospermy. While it mimics like a sexual reproduction because of formation of seeds. Seed formation is done. Now what is the reason? Because no two parents are involved in how the fruit and seed formation is there. There are two main reasons. First of all, due to some reason the diploid egg is there and that diploid egg will start functioning as a zygote. No reductional division will take place in that egg and that diploid egg will start functioning as a zygote. Or sometime the cells of nucellus which are diploid in nature and they will start functioning as a zygote or embryo. What is polyembrony? As the name suggests, poly means many, embryony means embryo. When more than one embryo are present, that is known as polyembrony and it is generally observed in orange. What is the reason of polyembrony? Three main reasons. First of all, more than one egg present in embryo sac. It means if more eggs are there, more seeds are able to be formed. Or we can say in one ovule, more than one embryo sac is present. And the another reason is the cells of nucellus and synergid, they will start behaving like a embryo. In these situations, the polyembryony will take place. This is all about chapter 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. You have to please visit all the links of this chapter, prepare it thoroughly, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and our country. Thank you.